So these are all of my Happy Planner books. Obviously you can tell I'm in love with these books. This is my 2018, my 2019, and my new 2020. I love Happy Planners, and I would suggest anyone getting these. I get them at Hobby Lobby. They're not that expensive. It's a good thing to just start out with. I love these. They keep everything in order. I put all my bills, everything down, and it just helps keep me balanced per month. That way I know what bills are due, when they're due, how much is due. I know what to pull out of the bank, what to send, when to send it. It just helps. I put my whole life into these books. I put grocery list, anything that has to be due for the dogs, dog food, when to buy, all that stuff. Everything goes in my planner. So if you would like to see how I do my planner, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is my lovely new notebook. This is for my year of 2020. If we go inside, we can replace the covers. They have different covers that are interchangeable, and then you can also switch out the rings. We can write down who the name is from. They have year 2020 and 2021. This is, it says like January, February, March, April, May, June, and what it is it's the numbers per, or, sorry, so like in May, it says the first is a Friday, the second is a Saturday, third is a Sunday, and it goes all the way down until the end of the actual month. And they have that for the entire year. I don't really use this space. Most of the time I will just use this as like extra note space. It doesn't really matter to me. They have main goals, notes, important birthdays. And then now we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Now, I know that some of you guys are not into planners like this. For me, planners help, as I said earlier. I just like to keep organized. It kind of makes it to where, like back in school, where there was a bunch of things going on and you wrote it all down. And it helps me stay up to date on everything that needs to go on. I know what days things are due, bills, what needs to be done around the house, the dogs, my husband, me, everything is in this planner. And it's always good too, because like for important things like tax season and stuff like that, we can always go back in and see exactly when we filed and so on. So I have assortment of colors. These are all pens, and they are all the felt tip pens. And then I have stickers. Now I ordered all of these from Etsy for the month of January. I did this so that way I can just, I like them. They look like a lovely festive New Year's party, and I'm gonna stick these in them. If you guys don't like the sticker part, you don't have to do that. I just recommend getting the planner so that way you can keep track of every bill, every doctor's appointment, everything that's going on in this planner. But if you guys do want to know, I will link the Etsy account below that I bought these from, and I will most likely be buying stickers every single month if for some reason I miss. First things first, I have a notepad over here, and that gives, I wrote down when all my bills are due and what needs to be done in that time frame. So I'm gonna just go in and I'm gonna start filling out every day that a bill is due while decorating. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go in and decorate first, and then I'm gonna fill out the spots for when the bills are due. So now that this is basically set up, it's not perfect. I probably will add more to it. But then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and write down all the bills that I know that are due. Now, don't judge me on my handwriting. I know it's gross. So once I am done writing in all of the bills, then I will go in on random days like where I have little boxes, or like here I have a television because I usually film on Mondays. So each Monday, a tidy up is usually because I clean my my clean with me videos all on Mondays. So I put a TV type of thing to remind me that I need to film. And then also on this side, I have a couple of filming ones because that is also something that I do throughout the week. And I know I didn't explain it here, but what I'm just doing is writing down what I'm going to be filming, or little extras like when the dog food is due. And then on the side where the notes are supposed to be, I just make a little section that has goals, and I write down a couple things that I would like to achieve throughout the month. And most of the time I just reach them. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you will be seeing a new one of these the first of every month. So enjoy, guys. Bye.